Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a get ready with me using mostly Sheglam makeup from Shein, and the focal point for me is almost always the eyes. I love eyeshadow. It's my favorite part of makeup application, and we're using the Violet Vision and the Rhapsody eyeshadow palette combined together today for our look, which is why I bought them. And I recently bought one of the other purple palettes. I'm just waiting for it to get here. I love purple. We're starting off with the Sheglam Birthday Suit Primer, I believe is what it's called. This primer is amazing. I'm applying it with a brush instead of my fingers so I can really like press it into the pores. I have a full flawless foundation primer hack kind of video that's in the cards. Check it out. That primer is amazing. So I'm going to take the Sheglam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Powder, and I'm going to press that also on top of the primer, and this is going to give us such a smooth, flawless finish. If you want more details on that, once again, that hack video is linked in the cards, and I love this hack. It's amazing. I learned it from Oh My Lashes. She's amazing as well. So this is the Skinfluencer or Skinfluencer foundation on Sheglam, and you have to warm it up with your fingers before applying it. I'm going to use a sponge to apply this. You can use a brush. You can buy the recommended tools on the website. Shein website will be posted in the description box below for you to check out all these awesome makeup items. They're all affordable. I believe not one item here is over, I want to say $9 anyways. I think this foundation was like $9. Amazing coverage. It blends in so nicely, and you can totally build this up, but I've got enough coverage right here because I'm going to use the Sheglam MultiFix Concealer Palette. This thing is amazing. It has 6 different concealers. They are thick and very full coverage concealers. I love them. I'm using the lightest one for my under eyes, and they have a few different shades of this. And on that Skinfluencer foundation, that stuff, not only is it amazing and applies great, but they have such an amazing shade range. Once again, taking the Sheglam Insta Ready powder. There is a pressed powder and a loose powder for face and for under eyes. The sponge goes with it as well. This is a fuzzy like velvet sponge from Sheglam, and it goes with this powder, and it applies the powder amazingly. This is a finely milled loose powder, and the pressed powder is too. It's really nice and soft. The Sheglam eyeshadow primer, this is the one that's like got the silicone-y, it's clear base. It's a clear base, it's silicone-y filling, and it's kind of like a face primer, but I use on my eyes. So here's the Rhapsody palette, and I'm just picking up that nice, beautiful lavender shade, and I'm going to apply this in the crease. The brushes that I'm using on my eyes are also from Sheglam, and so far I really like them. There's been no shedding. They wash up really nicely, and a couple of the bristles were a little long and needed to be cut down, but other than that, the brushes have been great. Those neon brushes were like $2 for 4 brushes. This is the Violet Vision palette, and I'm going to take that shimmery black shade, and I'm going to apply that in the outer corner. Now this does take a minute to build up. The black is pigmented, but in all honesty, I'm personally using the wrong brush to be patting this in the outer corner. I need a much more denser brush, or like a stubby pencil type brush for the crease, opposed to this fluffier one that I'm using. And I'm just going to pat that in. So it needs some building up. I'm going to take this beautiful steely kind of blue icy shade, and I'm going to apply that right next to the black. And once again, these rainbowy brushes I'm using are from Shein, and they're from the Sheglam line. All this stuff is amazing. It applies so nicely. The prices are awesome. And we're going to take this really beautiful duochrome shimmery purple shade This palette is amazing. If you don't get any of the other palettes, like, get the Rhapsody one if you like purples and pinks, because the shimmers are amazing. And that's a hard candy hydrating setting mist. I just like to use it. I hate the sprayer, so I'm using this to foil eyeshadows, and it works amazing. So I just get my brush wet and I dip it into the shadow, spreading that all over the lid. Really simple, and because both of those shades are shimmery, and even the one in the outer corner, they blend together really nicely. And I'm going to blend that crease down. And once all those shades are blended together, I'm using the NYX Pure Skin single eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that as my highlight. And I'm also mixing that with the white in the palette as well, because it is super potent, the white is. So I'll just kind of mix them. So I still want the bright highlight, but I want it toned down as well. So I'm doing the blending, and I'm going to kind of blend out all that powder on my face and wipe away any excess. I'm taking that beautiful dark purple in the shade there, in that palette there, and I'm applying that on my lower lash line. So once that's done, I believe for my inner corner, I'm using this beautiful shimmery light pinky purple shade. Once again, wetting the brush, getting that on my brush, and then I'm going to apply it in the inner corner. Now, these shades are so soft. So a couple of them are kind of like that jelly kind of texture, but they still dry like powder. Very nice quality. This is just a purple Believe Beauty eyeliner. This purple eyeliner is from LaColors, and I'm doing all purple. Biggie Lash Mascara from LaColors, and I'm going to kind of bronze contour with this LaColors face palette. And I've super sped this up because I just need to get through this part. I feel like this part takes a long time. And I just do the cheekbones, the chin, the forehead, the nose, the usual stuff. I do it a little bit on my chin to give the appearance of a more pouty lip, and I blend that out. LaColors, this is their like one of their blush palettes, and I'm gonna apply blush on my cheeks and on my nose a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with the highlight in that palette as well. And in between that, you're gonna see me take the kabuki and blend that out. And if I didn't show it, then I ended up cutting it out, but that's what I did. I always blend out all of my, anything on my face that gets put on there gets blended out with the kabuki, and here it is. Once all that is blended out, I'm going to be taking the Sheglam, I believe this is like a velvet Starlight lipstick. Anyways, the formula of this lipstick is amazing. It's great. And this is the Sheglam Picnic Setting Spray. It smells like grapes. It's a gel-like formula, but sprays out wet on your face. Does that make sense? I don't know, but it's amazing. And all these products I'm loving. I use them in my like everyday makeup when I wear it, and I love the Sheglam stuff. I know that you guys probably would too, and it's super affordable price. And they have lots of deals always going on Shein, and definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box out and the cards for additional links and a product list. Thanks again for watching.